Okay, so this time we focus on security and personnel in cybersecurity. Security and personnel in information assurance and security are vital components that ensure the protection of an organization's information asset. This involves not only implementing technical measures but also managing and training the people who use and oversee these systems. Personnel play an essential role in information assurance and security. So while technical measures are essential, the human element is often the weakest link in the security chains. Employees at all levels must be aware of security policies and practices to prevent accidental breaches and insider threats. So, effective security depends on the behavior and vigilance of the people who interact with information system. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead. Go ahead, Sir Ronel.
Rinig po.
Yes, go ahead.
Good evening, Prof. Good evening, classmates. I'm Renel from BSIT Batch 16. We'll be discussing the security and personnel in cybersecurity. This presentation aims to emphasize the significance of cybersecurity, especially how our personnel play a pivotal role in safeguarding our digital assets. Introduction to cybersecurity. Definition of cybersecurity is cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting system, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from user, or interrupting normal business processes. Importance of cybersecurity in modern organization. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is essential to protect organizational data, maintain customer trust, and ensure the smooth operation of businesses. In cybersecurity, is essential the practice of defending our computer system. This is the role of personnel in cybersecurity. Human factor as a critical component. People are often considered the weakest link in cybersecurity, but they can be also the strongest defense with proper training. Common human-related security risks is phishing, social engineering, example includes employees falling for phishing emails, sharing password, or being manipulated through social engineering tactics. While technology forms the backbone of cybersecurity, the human element is equally equally critical. Employees can be either be weakest link or the strongest, depending on their awareness and actions. Human errors such as falling in phishing, scamming, or mishandling sensitive information can open doors for cyber attacks. Hence, it's imperative to invest in training our personnel and recognize the thwart potential threats. One of the most common security risks involving personnel is phishing, where attackers deceive employees into revealing sensitive information. Social engineering is another tactic, where attackers manipulate individuals into compromising security through seemingly in focus action. These methods exploit human psychology and can bypass even most sophisticated technical defense if employees are not vigilant. The importance of employee awareness and training, uh, continuous education and training of employee are vital in combating these threats. Regular training and sessions help employees stay abreast of the latest security threats and best practices. By making security awareness core part of our organizational culture, we can significantly reduce the risk of human errors leading to security breaches. Types of security threats involving personnel. Insider threats is malicious insider. Employees who intentionally cause harm, such as stealing data or sabotaging system. Employees, this malicious insider is are employees who exploit their access to company resources for personal gain or to cause harm. This individual might steal sensitive data, sabotage system, facilitate attacks by external actors. Their action can be highly damaging because they often have legitimate access to critical system. Accidental insider employees who unintentionally cause security breaches such as clicking or malicious links or misconfiguring system. This is our insider employee who unintentionally cause security breaches through actions like clicking malicious links and mishandling data. These breaches are not deliberate but can still result in significant damage. Awareness and training can help mitigate these risks by making employee more cautious and informed about their action. External threats targeting personnel, phishing, fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by disguising as trustworthy entities. Spear phishing, targeted phishing attacks aimed at specific individuals or organizations. Social engineering, manipulating people into divulging in confidential information. Case studies and example of breaches involving personnel discuss recent employee examples such as Equifax breach, which was partly due to unpatched vulnerability of employee error. Training and awareness program. Importance of training and regular training. Training ensures that employees stay updated of the latest threats and best practices. Key components of effective training programs should include phishing simulation, password management, recognizing social engineering tactics, and incident reporting procedure. Example of awareness programs and their impact highlight successful programs like those companies like Google or Microsoft, which has significantly reduced phishing success rates among their employees. Access control and personnel. Role-based access control, RBAC, assigning permission based on the role of the user within the organization and to limit access to sensitive information. Principle of least privilege, ensuring that employees have the minimum level of access necessary to perform their job functions. Monitoring and auditing user access, regularly reviewing access logs to detect and respond to unauthorized access attempts. Personal policies and procedure. Hiring practices and background checks. Conduct thorough background checks to ensure potential employees that not pose a security risk. Clear policies on acceptable use define what constitutes acceptable use of organizational resources and ensure all employees are aware of these policies. Disciplinary action for policy violation outline the consequences for violating security policies to deter potential and misconduct. Incident response and personnel. Role of personnel in incident response. Employees should know how to recognize and report security events. Importance of having trained response team. Uh, Dedicated team ensures quick and effective response to incidents, minimizing damage. So steps for effective incident reports include identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lesson learned. Security, culture, and personnel. Building a security-first culture encourage employees to prioritize security in all their activities, encouraging reporting of suspicious activities, create an environment where employees feel comfortable reporting potential security issues without fear of retribution. Leadership role is fostering a security culture. Leaders should lead by example and reinforce the importance of security in their organization. This is the reference of my reports. And thank you, sir. Thank you, classmates.
Okay. Implementing rule-based access control is a fundamental practice in managing security and personnel. RBAC limits access to information based on individual rules within the organization. So, through ensuring that employees only have access to the data and systems necessary for their job functions, organization can reduce the risk of unauthorized access and potential breaches. That's why, let's say if your company or your institution or schools are using a computerized information system, particularly handling your account, your registers data and information, they have their own separate account, and there is certain restriction from the registrars to the accounting office. Same with your company. Let's say there is certain restriction from the human resource department, through finance, through guard or time in, time out, and so on and so forth. So, regular security training and awareness programs are essential for educating employees about security risk and best practices. And this program should cover topics such as phishing, password management, data handling procedures, and recognizing suspicious activities. So continuous education helps create a culture of security awareness and ensures that employees remain vigilant against the evolving threats. Conducting thorough background checks and vetting of employees, especially those in sensitive positions, is vital for preventing insider threats. This process helps ensure that individuals with access to critical systems and data have a trustworthy background. So ongoing monitoring of employees' behavior and access patterns can also help detect and mitigate potential risks. In the event of security incident, clearly defined roles and responsibilities are critical for an effective response. An incident response plan should outline the specific duties of employees during an incident, including who is responsible for communication, containment, eradication, and recovery. So regular drills and simulations can help ensure that employees are prepared to act swiftly and effectively. Implementing the principle of separation of duties helps prevent fraud and errors by dividing tasks and responsibilities among multiple individuals. This principle ensures that no single employee has control over all aspects of any critical functions or process. Through requiring collaboration in oversight, organizations can reduce the risk of malicious activities and mistakes. So, trusting the administrator account is not advisable, wherein everybody could able to open or to use different functions within the system. Strong security leadership and governance are vital for establishing and maintaining an effective information security program. So security leaders such as chief information security officers are responsible for developing security strategies, policies, and procedures. They also play a key role in fostering a security conscious culture and ensuring that security policies, practices align with business objectives. So holding employees accountable for their actions and promoting ethical behavior are essential for maintaining our information security. Clear policies or acceptable use, data handling, and reporting of security incidents helps ensure that employees understand their responsibilities. So ethical guidelines and a strong organizational culture are encouraged employees to act with integrity and prioritize security in their daily activities. Security and personnel management and information security and assurance involve a multifaceted approach that includes training, role-based access control, background checks sa mga empleyado natin, lalo kung newly hired, tapos ma-assign sila sa mga system administrator, MIS head, incident response planning, and strong leadership. So through focusing on the human element, organizations or company can significantly enhance their overall security posture and protect their information assets more effectively. So that's it for this topic.